I have taken 250 grams of shrimp and I've removed the shell and deveined it from both the sides. And to devein, I've used a knife. It is quite easier and quicker that way. So I've cut it from one side and removed the vein. And it is also helpful to have a bowl of water in which you can just clear off the vein on your finger. It gets stuck. Similarly, from the other side, also I've removed the vein by cutting it first. And if there is any pieces of shells remaining on it, just clear it and dip it in water and just clean it up. And this is the whole batch of deveined and deshelled shrimp.